Yeah, enjoy your loss. Just so you know. You are easy to avoid.
Okay.
Way below my skills.
Okay.
It's not happening.
Okay.
Not happening.
Okay.
GG.
I mean, clearly not, because we're in the same rank, bro.
Oh, yeah. This is not even my first account.
So you're a Smurf?
Yep.
That's crazy.
Did you not see what I did to them when I wanted to take the point?
You didn't do shit, though. You ran into a 1v5.
Are you
You're
fucking
a fucking
kidding?
idiot.
Yeah. So who took the first point and then you all lost it when I backed away? And
You
told me, hey,
backed
gotta
away
hold
on purpose. You're like having a power
it?
trip.
Of course I did.
You're having
Of
a
course
power
I did.
trip
Because
on
you don't deserve to
Overwatch.
win.
Fucking grow
You
a
do
pair.
not deserve to win.
Grow
There's no
a
point
pair.
on-
Your
also,
poor
there's
wife.
no point on
Better get her
reporting
some
me.
divorce papers, you dumb cunt.